Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Plans with Amanda. We are decorating the currently page in my catch-all happy planner for the month of May today. I use the Modern Meow planner, so it's got the cats on it. And this month we are going to be coordinating with this divider. And I don't want to just use the Modern Meow sticker book, so I wanted to bring in something different with the black and white. And I've decided to use the Love Posh Pink Blooms sticker book, and I'm going to use these flowers. And I'm going to pull in some of the Modern Meow because there's a lot of black and white stickers in here that's going to coordinate, and that'll help tie the pages together. And then we're also going to be pulling in currently prompts from On a Bean on a Mission sticker book, Florals Volume 1. In the back of the sticker book, she has a lot of different prompts for journaling, for currently pages, and different fonts, couple different fonts. So this is a really good functional sticker book. She's got the colorful boxes in here, all different colors, some decorative boxes that coordinate with those colorful boxes, and then also some hand-painted floral designs that I think a friend of hers actually painted these, and that's what she used to design the stickers from. So this book is available on her website. I'll link it in the description box below. I'm also going to pull in some black boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans. I don't know if this is available right now, but I know she plans on restocking different sticker books, and so just keep an eye on her website for that. She's always linked in my description box below, as well as the other ladies as well. The Love Posh link is always below, and this is available on her website as well, the Pink Bloom sticker book. So let's go ahead and get the page pulled out and get started. If you didn't see this video, it's on my channel. I used Hell of a Plan Realistic Florals Volume 2 for this. I haven't written in it yet because it's not time for it, but anyway, just in case you were interested. But the first thing I want to do, I think, is go ahead and pull this one in and just put it all the way across the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and white out these holidays, because that's not, well, I kind of go back and forth. Sometimes I do currently prompts, and sometimes I'll do just the dates that are special for that month. And so it just depends on what I'm in the mood for. I also have a mini on the go that I do just put the dates in, so I've kind of decided I think I want this to be more of the currently prompts. I thought about bringing in some washi tape. I'm not 100% yet, but if I do, I want to pull it in across the bottom here. So let me pull that out real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. I bought this off of AliExpress. Well, that's interesting. Oh well. There we go. Okay, I bought this off of AliExpress, and it is like a doodle grid washi. I love the grid washi tape, and it's really cute. Well, it coordinates with a lot of spreads. The grid washi, it's a thinner line, and it's, you know, straight grid. But this is really cute because it's a doodle grid, and I just thought it was adorable. So I thought about maybe pulling it in down here, and just tearing, maybe ripping it across the top. Let's go ahead and do it, see what it looks like, and then we'll decide. This is probably going to be a little bit tough to tear all the way down, but that's okay. We'll see what happens. See if we can do it. Especially when you're trying to tear on that very thin edge. I mean, if you're just trying to tear it down the middle, it's not that hard. But when you're trying to tear on that thin edge and then not rip it off, because it's hard to get started again, it's a little bit more difficult. Okay, I don't know. We'll see if this will work. Let me see. Let's see what it looks like after we put it down. Okay. I think I like it, but I want to put the florals down before I do the washi. So let's do that. Oh, shucks. I hate it when that happens. Try not to let it stick any more than it is already. I can get out the undo if I need to. Okay. Crisis averted. Okay. I was just sitting here about to say I was thinking about whiting out that line, but I'm not going to worry about it. Now my page is wrinkled, so let me see if I can get it on there without... Yeah, I think it's going to be okay. All right. Those are really pretty. I love the colors, the fuchsia and the bright pink and the light pink all mixed together. It's a really pretty design. All right, I think we're gonna bring this all the way across both ends, but I want to start with this thicker end because I got a little thin down here. See what this is gonna look like. Add a little bit of clear from that floral. Cut that off. Okay, I like that. I don't love how I can see through the bottom here, but I'm gonna go with it. I'm not gonna worry about it. Okay, let's see. What I wanna do is go ahead and pull out the currently prompts that I wanna use so I know how many boxes that I need. And also I need to decide on which font I'm using because I've got the more cursive and I've got the print. Let's see what the planner has on it so I can kind of see. So we've got both. I think I like that font better to go with this. So I'm gonna get a little bit of wax paper and just pull out a few. We definitely need the word currently. If I can get my book to stay up. So that means I need to pick from this side if we're using this font. Let's see, celebrating. We've got a few things coming up this month. Mother's Day. I don't even know what else actually off the top of my head. Let's do reading. I've been listening to audiobooks lately. I like to listen to them when I'm driving, and so we'll use that one. Let's do saving for. We've got some trips coming up. I'm not traveling in May, so we won't use that. Let's go ahead and put loving. Can always think of something for that one. All right, how many? That's 4. We need probably one more so we have an odd number of boxes. Let's put drinking. I don't drink, but I love sweet tea, and I have not been drinking enough water lately. I've been drinking too much sweet tea. All right, we'll start with that, but I'll hold this book out just in case I want to end up using something else. Okay. The next thing I want to do is pull out a few things from the Modern Meow that will coordinate. When I took a glance through a few minutes ago, there are a lot of black and white stickers. So like this right here would coordinate because that's actually on the cover, but I'm not sure if I want to use that one or not. Let's see. All you need is love and a cat. That's super cute. A little black cat goes with everything. Oh my gosh, that's what I gotta use. My cat, I know I've mentioned her before on this channel. I actually have 2 cats, but my girl cat is, her name's Baby Kitty. I've told the story as to why that's her name, but that's her name. It stuck. And She's black. She's a tuxedo cat, so she's black with some white on her, and she is a mess and a half. So we laugh at her all the time, and she cracks us up. She has a funny personality. I've never seen a cat with such personality. So I thought about using this one. It's just a long, big black box sticker, which I'm going to pull from the Mojo Jojo plans, but I thought this one might be cute to maybe layer off of, but it may be a little too long. Let's see. Yeah, I could shorten it though. I could. You know what? I'm not going to use that. It's real cute, but I just don't know. I don't want it to take away from all the other wording. So we're going to hold off on that. Okay, let's keep looking. Those are cute. So I'm looking for just black and white. So like these little boxes here are cute. Let's see. One says, where they say seek adventure. Let's pull one of these. Yeah, those are the same thing. They're just with the colored font. These have the gold, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. This one's really cute, but it's got those flowers, so we're not going to grab that. I kind of like that, possibly. We'll pull it out and hold on to it. If I don't use it, I can put it back. We have these little gold boxes, maybe for the prompts. No, I don't know. We'll hold off on that. I like this. Oh my gosh. Happiness is forcing your cat to cuddle. Isn't that the truth? It is so funny, but it's so true. They act like they hate it, but then they come back for more. At least my cat does. She's funny. That's cute too. Hug your cat. Can you tell I'm a cat person? All right, I think this is it. Let's see, there's that, but well, I could cut the orange off, but I don't think I need it. I think we're gonna set this aside, and the next thing I'll do is go ahead and pull some boxes. All right, so I like the idea of having a long box sticker on here. Let's see if we have any that are, oh yeah, we got plenty. So we'll pull that one. Thought I could layer off of it somehow. So we might need a couple of bigger ones to kind of, because some of these might require more space to write. And then some of them you could do, maybe we could do some smaller boxes. So we have plenty of, I don't know what sizes we're gonna need. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Okay, so I need so let's do this one. It's a little bit smaller than the square. I might switch one of these out, but we'll see. Okay. So let's go ahead and put down the long box sticker, I think. I'm just debating on maybe whether or not I want to bring in more of the florals first or do the boxes first. I think I want to pull in some of the florals up here. This one has already been cut on, so I think it'll actually be good for that corner. Yeah. I think that works. Yeah. The other thing we could do is possibly pull in a little more washi at the top, just to kind of tie it together. Let's do that. I'm not sure about that, but we'll leave it for now. I think it's this corner down here that's bugging me. That's better. Okay. All right. Get these out of the way. So I just need to decide kind of where I want my boxes clustered, and then we can decorate around it. How about that? Let's put the long box right here. No. I'm just using the dots to kind of line it up. Hopefully we can get it straight. I guess I should have ran my white out underneath that, because I can see that line clear as day. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah, that's much better. Okay. So, oh, throwing stuff everywhere. So I think maybe take the word currently and put it here, since it's kind of the title of the page. All right. And we have our big box stickers here. My thought is to kind of layer them a little bit, to kind of maybe break these up. And if I do that, then I actually don't need all of them, do I? Because I've got 5 boxes. Yeah, I still want to do that though. I may pick another prompt or something. We'll see. Probably should have waited on whitening this out in case I needed to move it. Oh well, that one's ready. That's where it's gonna be. Okay. Kind of like this one on its own. Stick that there for now. Let's see what we have here. Tell you what, let's grab a couple of different sizes. Another square and another one of the, yeah, this one. I don't know what size this is, but it's a little bit smaller than the square. All right. So let's see if we can do maybe something like this. Well, no, because we're in the punches. I don't know, guys. I'm not liking how this is going to be like, whatever I do down here is going to be straight in line with that. Okay, I take that. Okay, one more thing. Let's maybe do a small skinny box, because I can make it like a header and kind of to break it up a little bit. My dog outside is barking because my husband just got home and he is excited about that. What about that? What do we think? Maybe. Let's see what it looks like. I think I'm not liking how they're just so in a line. So let's try something a little different. We've got other decorative stickers that we can use. So maybe we can incorporate something like these in. Yeah. I never, it always takes me forever to lay these out. I think that's why I kind of avoid the currently pages. Well, yeah, with the currently prompts, because I always have a hard time laying them out. And so it takes me kind of forever. So if it takes too long, I'll fast forward through some of this. Okay, I like that. I might need something to go with it. Just to break it up a little. We'll leave that there for a minute. Okay. What if we take this and line it up with the boxes there, and maybe have this one, actually not the square, but the one that's a little smaller than the square, coming off of that. Yeah, I like that. Is it straight? Yeah, it's pretty straight. Okay, this might work. What do we think? This is a little too close, I think, to this. But I think I like it. I'm just going to move it over just a little bit. A little bit more of a gap there. Yeah, that's better. So we have, how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that works. Let's go ahead and put the prompts down and see if we might want to shift anything. So the small ones we need will be this one. We'll do, and then drinking. Reading may take a little more room. We'll do it here, I think. Celebrating. Maybe we can take, no, I don't like that. Probably put loving in this box. And celebrating. I don't. Yeah, I think it'll be okay right here. We'll do that for now. I've got to leave room for my little black cat. She's so cute. What about this little one here? I think maybe down here. Seek adventure. Doesn't she though? Y'all, she's into something all the time. Okay. Okay, actually, okay. I like this. Let's put some lines in the boxes. So this is just the check it off from the Happy Planner. I think you can still find these at Hobby Lobby. Some locations have them. I'm just gonna put some lines on here. I'm using a Mojo 0.38. maybe some down here too. And maybe the loving. Yeah. So for this, I actually want to do a pencil because the stencil won't go all the way across. But what I want to do is kind of mark it for in a couple places. Then I can use the side of it to make my lines. And then I'll just erase the pencil marks later. Just doesn't look straight. I'm sorry to hesitate. Oh, I messed that up. Oh well. Just have to hold it down tighter. Okay. That doesn't look very good, but that's okay. I don't do that very often, actually. I've only ever done that once or twice, so I don't have a lot of practice with it. So anyway, let me go ahead and find a spot for this quote. And I think we're gonna add some more florals and then we're gonna be done. All right, so let me get this stuff out of the way. I'll be right back. I think I wanna go ahead and white out these prompts here because I'm not gonna use those. And I want to pull in some more of the florals, but I'm not sure which ones. Kind of would like to have all three colors because it's going to go right here, and I don't have any of this light pink up here anywhere, but I do have a small one here. Let's see what this one would do, and then we can pull that small one in somewhere. So the problem is I've got this quote and I want to use the quote. I was trying to cover up the whiteout up here, but I guess it doesn't matter since I have that down there, right? Okay, so yeah, I'll put the quote here and I'll use the, I'll pull the florals in up here. How about that? Okay. Yep, let's go ahead and cut this off. That looks good. Might pull this in over here. Yeah, I think I like it over here. But let's see. I'm trying to figure out if I want to cut it or raise up the sticker. That wants to tear. Let's just cut it. Hope we don't tear the sticker up. Sometimes if I use a little something to get in there, it's easier for it to lay down without sticking to my box. That works. Okay. I think it got it just a little bit. Yeah, it got it just a little bit. I think it's okay though. All right. But I like that. I like how that turned out. Okay, so let's put this quote down. I do want to try to bring in a little bit more of the washi tape because it we just have the top and the bottom, so I feel like it needs to be worked in somewhere else, just even if it's just a little bit. All right, that is so cute. Okay, do we want to try to pull in more cats too? I figured if we're going to do it, we might as well do it, right? I don't know about that. That works. Okay. I think that's good. All right. Let's go ahead and punch it. Okay. Let's see what it looks like on the disc. Get this out of the way. All right. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love the pink. Oh man, I missed one, guys. I do that all the time. There we have it, our currently page for the month of May in my catch-all happy planner in a classic size. We used the Love Posh Pink Blooms sticker book with the Modern Meow Happy Planner sticker book, Mojo Jojo plans, black boxes, and last but not least, we have On a Bean on a Mission, Florals Volume 1. And I will link all of these below in my description box as long as they're still available. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would greatly appreciate it if you took the time to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. We'll see you next time. Bye.